Sick of slippin'? Conquer winter's ice rink with Yaktrax. Every winter, it's the same struggle, one step outside, and suddenly, you're starring in your own slow-motion wipeout scene. Whether it's the dreaded driveway dash, the treacherous trek to work, or just walking the dog without turning into a human snowball, the battle against ice and snow feels unwinnable. You've tried the walk like a penguin trick, but let's be real, it's not foolproof. Spikes? Too clunky. Regular boots? Useless on black ice. Is there a way to walk with confidence in winter without risking a faceplant? Enter Yaktrax Walk Traction Cleats, the grip you never knew you needed. Yaktrax solves winter's biggest slip problem with a game-changing design, 360-degree traction coils that grip ice from every angle. Unlike spikes that dig in awkwardly, these steel coils distribute pressure evenly, keeping you balanced, stable, and secure with every step. Made from abrasion and rust-resistant alloy, they won't snap or wear down like cheap knockoffs. And the best part? They flex with your movement, meaning you can walk naturally without the stiff, awkward stomp of traditional cleats. It's like adding snow tires to your feet, only way cooler. Durability? Oh, you bet. The thermoplastic rubber sling doesn't crack, degrade, or give up when the temperatures drop. Cheap plastic versions? They snap faster than a frozen twig. Yaktrax are built to withstand brutal winter conditions, from icy sidewalks to snow-packed trails. Plus, they're completely recyclable, so you can feel good about your eco-friendly grip on life. The easy-on, easy-off design with a heel tab makes them a breeze to slip over any shoe, from winter boots to sneakers, so you're never caught off guard by unexpected ice. Beyond stability, Yaktrax are a money saver. A single winter fall can lead to expensive medical bills, lost workdays, or just the humiliation of flailing like a cartoon character. Why risk it? Instead of throwing cash at slip-and-fall solutions after the fact, invest in a proven, affordable fix before disaster strikes. And unlike cheap traction gear that falls apart after one season, Yaktrax are built to last, year after year. That means less spending, fewer replacements, and way more confidence on your winter adventures. So, why keep tiptoeing on treacherous ground? It's time to step up, literally. With Yaktrax Walk Traction Cleats, you'll walk taller, grip stronger, and say goodbye to winter wipeouts for good. Snow and ice don't stand a chance, but you? You'll be unstoppable.